Liên Á Interiors, a symbol of credibility and responsibility in the furniture industry. In a world where interior design is not just a luxury, but a necessity, the name Liên Á has been synonymous with quality, responsibility, and trustworthiness. As we continue to serve both local and international clients, we invite you to learn more about what makes our company a reliable partner for your business needs. Cutting-edge manufacturing facility located in Pudong. Our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility ensures that every piece of furniture we produce meets the highest standards. Each product goes through rigorous quality checks to ensure durability, style, and comfort. A team that understands your needs. Our highly skilled staff not only have the technical know-how, but are also trained to understand the unique needs of each client. With a free consultation service, we engage closely with our clients to deliver customized solutions that meet specific requirements. Impeccable track record over the years, we have successfully completed a multitude of high-profile projects, earning us a reputation as a leading brand in the industry. Our commitment to quality and responsibility has been recognized and highly praised by thousands of satisfied customers. Transparency and communication. We believe in maintaining complete transparency in our dealings. All communications, from initial inquiries to post-sale support, are conducted professionally and efficiently. We are easily reachable via phone, Zolo, and email, ensuring you can always count on us. Global reach, with our comprehensive digital presence spanning our website and social media platforms like Facebook, YouTube, and TikTok. We have been able to serve an international clientele who appreciate quality and responsibility in a business partner. Trust, our foremost priority in the world full of choices. What sets Liên Á apart is our unwavering commitment to client satisfaction. We understand that trust is earned, and we are committed to earning yours. Contact us for more information. Please visit our website at line.com, or feel free to call us at 0878787852. You can also reach us via Zolo at the same number, or send us an email at line@gmail.com. Feel free to use this article to present your company as a credible and responsible business to your potential international partners.